Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Vivin Ibrahim. Here I will read the synopsis of the film Before the Flood. Review title Before the Flood. Recent year 2016. Director Fisher Stephen. Producer Fisher Stephen. Leonardo DiCaprio, James Packer, Brett Ratner, Trevor Davidowski, and Jennifer Davison Killoran. Scriptwriter Mark Monroe. Production National Geography Production 1906 Minutes Before the Flood is an American documentary film produced in 2016 by National Geography. The film features Leonardo DiCaprio journeys as a message of peace regarding climate change. The film provides insight into how climate change is affecting the environment and what we can do to save the planet. The film also shows some of the world's government distracting and opposing scientists' views on climate change. This happening because the government is oriented towards the economy. Exploitation of nature by development-oriented political actor contributes the largest amount of carbon that has an impact on climate change. There are several crucial things that I realized after seeing the film. One of them is the emergency of awareness of climate change that really exists and is happening right now. That our daily activity releases a lot of pollutants such as carbon dioxide and result in warming of the atmosphere which can harm the planet. In the film, DiCaprio visits several places that show climate change among others, namely before is Island and Greenland, which showed a very large ice melt and much faster than predicted. Several EU countries such as many are also experiencing sea level rise. Meanwhile, in China, air toxicity has become a big problem. The existing pollution can cause cancer and respiratory disease. Next is India, which is the third largest greenhouse gas emitter in the world. Then there is the Kiribati archipelago, which in the last 12 years has had its inhabitants migrate in island the exact resin waters as current projection predict their island will be underwater in the next generation. DiCaprio also visited Oceania where sea level rise is not the only problem. Overfishing is also doctoring species and ecosystems. While ocean warming is making conditions were even more difficult to turn to survival, and the last one is Indonesian, which is home to one of the three largest rainforests in the world. However, in Indonesia, many rainforests are burned to make way for livestock plantation and settlement. As a result, there are more than the 10,000 deaths each year from the respiratory disease to poor air quality. In addition, prone fire make the land barren and kill thousands of animals, so that various species are threatened with extinction. Various events in the part of war are real things that show the climate change is really happening on this age. Our life today can run on fossil fuel, which can harm the planet. To get these foul things that destroy natural need they be done, such as removing mountain pins for coal, fracking for natural gas, offshore oil drilling, and taxation which drastically change the environment and destroy ecosystem. America is transitioning to renewable energy, but at the show rate while being rich enough to withstand the fierce impact of climate change. In contrast, India and China are currently investing more in the field of solar power than America. At the 2015 US Climate Change Conference in Paris, it was agreed that climate change is a problem that we need to address. There is still a chance to return to the stable planet, even if only slightly 196 countries. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.